we need these 3 ingredients.
Yeah.
It's really easy.
Yeah.
We need 4 cups of flour. All of it, Spartan. Spartan, stop eating it. 1 cup of salt.
I'll do that bit. Yoink.
And 1.5 cups of water.
Can I do that? One and now mix it the one.
Yeah. Your turn.
Now your turn.
It smells yum, but we're not allowed to eat it.
Nuh-uh. So guys, we're actually gonna make Christmas ornaments with this heart. Yep, really. It broke my heart. All of it.
We might need a little bit of water
Guys, we added a bit more water.
because we didn't have enough.
No.
So after you've got the dough formed a little, we need to put some flour on the table, and then we need to knead or roll the dough more. So then it turns like this.
Yep.
Just a little bit more, and then it's
Yep.
done.
Yep. 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 Yep.
It feels a little like Play-Doh. Then you're done, and you can do whatever you want with it.
And you can also add some food dye on it to make it colour.
So we're making Christmas ornaments with the baker's dough. Put your Christmas ornaments on.
Need to split it up a little. Amazing. Gingerbread man. I hope it doesn't run away. I made a love heart for only mum. Done.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, don't finish.
So once we're done all the Christmas ornaments, we put them on the baking tray and baking paper, and then we make a hole in right at the top. We have the hole in there for the string to go in, so we can hang it on the Christmas tree.
You've got a perfect Christmas tree. That's a cool star. I'm a cool rock and roll star. I think that's enough.
So now we've done this, we need to put them in the oven at 180 degrees for 1 hour.
Yeah.
And then they're done.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Then we get to paint them all. Then we might want to set up our Christmas tree and put them on.
But just remember, you're not allowed to eat
Them. When they are biggie, we can eat them.
But they won't be Bicky's, Spartan.
They're gonna go on our Christmas tree. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Now, what are we gonna do with all of this? So the ornaments are in the oven, and we have all this left. And then I thought of something to do. This is the little plate of when we borrowed it off our nan a long time ago, and then we accidentally broke the teapot. So I wanted to make a teapot for nan.
Yeah. Yeah. Daddy, it didn't go to work.
Then we put that on, and then we put that there. That's just about the right size. Now we need to make the little handle. This. And done. Now we just have to put it in the oven and then it's done. They're out of the oven, they're cooled down, but we don't have any paint today. So we're gonna try texture. And then after we draw, we're gonna put glue on with a paintbrush for it to dry up and we can keep it forever. Let's start.
First I'm gonna do it. Put out the tinsels. This is really hard to do this. Now I am done. Now I'm gonna use my green.
A little bit more.
For some little light bulbs. And I will do this. I will do this one. Because red and green are good Santa colors. When you're done, put the lid back on. Purple's gonna be
We're
some
nearly
more.
done. Well, I'm
Some like
done.
little stripes. I used a little bit of that. Soon I'm gonna need the yellow.
There we go.
Now I'm gonna need the yellow for my star. Need it for my dog.
I need to put some glue on front and the back.
So I'm just gonna like this Christmas tree.
There we go. Now we let that sit and we wait.
Yeah, I'm done. Now we got to put some glue on it. But do you like it? It's Christmas tree. You like this little pie, guys? Oh, that looks so good. This is gonna be the best Christmas tree. Jingle bells, jingle